The entertainment industry is reeling after the sudden death of comedian Reggie Carroll, who passed away at the age of 52 following a fatal shooting. Known for his booming laughter, quick wit, and heartfelt delivery, Carroll spent more than 2 decades turning pain into humor, building a career that inspired countless fans and fellow performers. A career rooted in laughter. Carroll began his stand-up journey in small comedy clubs, honing a style that blended sharp social commentary with deeply personal stories. Over the years, his performances grew from local bars to sold-out theaters, making him a respected figure in the world of comedy. He was admired not only for his ability to make audiences laugh, but also for the sincerity he carried off stage, often mentoring younger comics who looked up to him as a guiding force. Tragic final moments. According to reports, Carroll was caught in a shooting incident late Sunday night. Despite the efforts of first responders, he did not survive his injuries. His family has since confirmed his passing, releasing a statement that revealed both his cause of death and his poignant final words. In his last moments, Carroll is said to have whispered, "Keep the laughter alive. That's all that matters." Those words now echo as a lasting message from a man whose mission was to spread joy in a world often clouded by hardship. Outpouring of tributes. The news has sparked an emotional wave across social media. Fellow comedians and fans alike have shared memories, clips, and personal messages celebrating the joy Carroll brought into their lives. One rising comic wrote, "Reggie was the first person to tell me I was funny enough to belong on stage. Without him, I wouldn't be where I am today." Comedy clubs nationwide have announced they will host tribute nights in Carroll's memory, turning grief into the very thing he lived for, laughter. A legacy that will endure. Though Reggie Carroll's life was cut tragically short, his influence endures. His humor, his mentorship, and his final words leave behind a blueprint for others to follow, to find light in darkness, and to never let laughter fade. Carroll's story is one of resilience, love, and unshakable humor, a reminder that while a voice may be silenced, its echoes of laughter can live on forever.